Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm driving the new BS6 2020 next generation i20 model. So let's check what are the specifications of this vehicle. So first let's get into the engine bay. So it's a 1.2 liter Kappa engine which produces 83 horsepower. So these are the DRLs which are pretty much LED. You get a projector setup for the headlamp, but the indicators are halogen. You get a projector fog lamp as well. Well, let me just turn it on for you. Well, the headlamps are LED as I told you. These are the fog lamps. Well, this is how the indicators look. So this looks pretty much nice. These are the projector setup, either both of the things. Now lots of cuts and creases on the boot of the vehicle. So i20 has done a great job in giving new cuts and creases to the vehicle. So it gives a damn new sporty finish to the car. Now coming to the tire sizes, these are diamond cut alloy wheels and the tire size happens to be 195/55 R16. All four wheels are of the same size. Now for the front you have a disc brake and for the rear you get a drum brake. Well, so for the ORVMs you get puddle lamp with welcome function. So these are easily retraceable. Once you lock the car you need not switch anything. Lots of chrome on offer. You get chrome everywhere on the handles. For the driver side door you get request sensor, so that for passive entry. Now there you get a shark fin antenna. Now coming to the rear, that is a rear wiper. So these are the defogger lines and lot of chrome as I told you. This is the Asta O model. So that means it has a sunroof and it's a manual transmission. So that's how the rear parking camera is placed. Now you get only 2 rear parking sensors. Now getting into the boot, it pretty much same like as always, and it's around 230 I guess. The spare wheel happens to be a space saver, which is 185/65 R16 wheel. Well, the sound system is supported by Bose, which is kind of nice. They have been upgraded from the older versions. Now, as I told, lots of chrome on offer. Lots of gloss black finish as well. You get gloss black and chrome everywhere. Now, doors open pretty much wide. You have a speaker over there. You can easily fit a 1 liter water bottle over there. You have space to keep stuff. But disappointing is that you don't get all power windows, like not one touch up and down, which means we have to do it every time. So this is a brushed black finish. This is to lock and unlock the rear side door. Now getting into the seats. The seats are pretty much comfortable. So the seats have been pushed a bit front so that you have pretty much leg room over here. So under thigh support is not a problem. Well, you have an center armrest but no twin cup holders. They must have provided a twin cup holder, which would be a nice touch. Now in the vehicle we have in total 3 handles to hang on, and you get 2 adjustable headrests. So according to your wish you can, and this also gets ISOFIX child seat mounts, so as a standard. So these are the AC vents of the vehicle. So you get a dedicated charging socket. This is to keep stuff for your coins or something, stuff like that. Well, this is the light functions. So this is an all black treatment. You don't get any dual sort of treatment for the i20. Well, let's get out of the vehicle. Now let's get into the driver's seat. Obviously passive entry, key is there inside the vehicle. Now the driver's door open really wide. So this is to fold and unfold the ORVMs. So you have a tweeter, you have a Bose speaker over here. This is to keep stuff. These are the space for the bottle holders and stuff like that. This is to lock and unlock the rear, rear windows. Only the driver's side door is one touch up and down, so which is kind of nice. And I wanted to show you something else. For the rear doors, you can lock it. If you have a child going over there, you can keep the key which has been provided with the remote key, and you can lock it up so that your child is safe while journeys. Now getting into the vehicle, so the driver's seat is not electrically adjustable. It's just manually, you have to manually adjust the seats. those are the, you know, the pedals of the vehicle. This is to open the boot. This is the fuse box. You get a traction control button. You get a driver rear view monitoring. This is the headlight leveler. Engine stop button. Well, wait, yes, so the steering feels nice and comfortable to hold. These are the controls for the multi information display on your front, and this is for the instrument cluster on the left system. So it's an all new unit. It's a 10.25 system. You get setup, media, radio, navigation as default, so you don't have a problem while you are driving. You get a wireless charging pad with a cooling function so that your phone doesn't get heat up. So this is the gear lever. This car is only 5-speed. So this is the air filter which is getting as standard. This is a center armrest which is adjustable according to your wish. That is a glove box which is cooled. So well, for the co-driver side you get a mirror. For the driver side you just get a space to hold your receipts. And for this, all the new i20, you get cruise controls, so which can be activated at a speed of 60 km/h. So you get voice command. Well, that's responding pretty nice. So these are the modes. So you can switch from one mode to another mode. This is to pick up a call. This is to cut the call. This is for the volume functions. Let's play an audio right away. Well, that's not working. Well, audio quality is nice. So, but the main thing in this vehicle is that you get a sunroof. This sunroof brings in a lot of air feeding into the vehicle. Once one more time further to go all the way back. Now let's close the sunroof, but the blind has to be manually adjusted. Well, for the instrument cluster, you have a small MID unit over there, wherein you can check the fuel economy. You know, you have a compass. You have a tire pressure monitoring system, which is nice. Horn feels nice. Let's check the wipers. Well, lot of foam on offer, so maybe the wiper fluid might have been run out of. So you get 2 sprays and you have 2 visors which clean the windscreen in no time. You have a rear wiper too. Well, I guess you can see that. Yes, that is how it is. Yeah, we are not driving this vehicle because as we have already driven the IMT, this is the same as a IMT. The only thing is that it gets a clutch as it's a manual transmission. Rest all the power is same. Thank you guys. See you soon. Take care. Bye.